Alright guys, this is Engineering Lex signing back in. Uh Today I wanna just discuss drones and how they are very cheap, affordable, and I'm pretty sure that Russia and Ukraine know that. But anyway, let me show y'all something real fast. Let's break this drone down. These things are dangerous, man. They can take out I had downloaded some pictures. They can take out a lot of stuff. How do I get back to my downloads? Oh, there we go. See more. Now, here we have a drone. Uh, you saw the components inside of it. We have a battery right here. We have a receiver, and what that receiver does, it receives that message or that signal from the transmitter. Right here we have a video transmitter. Right here, VTX. Right, video transmitter. We have a camera. This could be like some sort of Arduino board, Raspberry Pi, some kind of PCB board that the battery and everything goes into, and it also has to be grounded into it. But it says, yeah, all right, flight control. Look at that. That controls everything. That actually hold the code, possibly Python. This is the speed control right here, like a rotary. Uh, yeah, couple of motors. This is the frame right here. I got another picture up here I want to show y'all too. Let's see. That's pretty cool one right here. We got propellers over here. Another control receiver. Another antenna that usually holds the transmitter, and it says it right here, FPV transmitter. Got another motor, like a DC motor or something like that. Power distributor. Where the battery go? What is this? Electronic speed control. All that stuff goes. Those speed controls right there, they are connected to that rotary. This cord right here. It's kind of dim. Also have a FPV, first person view. That's a camera. So, but what I was saying, man, those drones, man, I watched the video, and man, they was tearing Ukraine up, you know. And here's basically, I saw this too. It's a delivery drone, and I think it's up here maybe in Cali. But what this drone does, it delivers. It picks them up at the warehouse, and it delivers. Now, this is the same format that the Ukraine and Russians are using. What they're doing, picking up a bomb, and they taking it to the location, and they dropping the bomb. That's the dropping point. That's all they doing. But I want to show y'all this video I saw, and I'm not gonna hold y'all up. It just was crazy, man. Dang, I can't spell. But yeah, it was. Let's go to. I think it was like Ukraine or something, and I'm gonna do drone. Oh, I spelled that. Oh, drone bomb strike. Where is it at? Check this out.
Ukraine staging a major attack on Russia. Incredible video coming in. capturing the large-scale special operation, Ukrainian drones and missiles targeting 4 Russian military airfields across the country, destroying some of its nuclear-capable bomber fleet on the ground.
Basically, I don't want to get copyrighted, but these drones, man, they cost uh anywhere from 15 bucks to possibly $500, but you can get a good one for like maybe 200-300 bucks. These drones have took out tanks, man. I'm talking about tanks that are worth $1.5 million, and a 25 or $150 drone take this out. So we have to rethink our war strategies. We need more brilliant minds, more techs, more people that can make these hold on, more people that can actually make these drones, man. So like this, I can make this with a 3D printer. So easy to build. I can do this myself. I actually have a couple of different softwares that do CAD designing, so I can actually make this whole entire layout, put the motors up there. I can actually put the code on this board right here, and I can buy all this stuff in the store, man. If I really want to be unethical and do some damage, I can make 100 of these, and you know, but we don't do nothing unethical here unless Russia invade us and China, and we have to come to another option. So you guys know where to come. But yeah, this is pretty. These drones are something else, man. So we still gonna touch bases on doing a lot of hands-on stuff. I just wanted to show y'all this, man. It's fascinating. On this board, like I said, those are microchips right there. On that board, some more microchips. It's fascinating. But we're still gonna touch bases on hands-on stuff as well. I just want to try this, try some new. I also have some gaming videos on post, but it's more on the tech side, dealing with like robots and industrial stuff, virtual interactive learning stuff like that. So, but yeah, don't let Russia catch you. Engineer Lex signing out.